I've been using this one every day for several weeks. I don't know, maybe 3, maybe more, and I am very happy because I am not paying attention to the painting of the tumbler, the bottle. I'm using just whatever, right? And as you can see, the painting is perfectly. Some small scratches here, but has held up pretty well. Held up pretty well. As you can hear, this is the brand, is Slitree. So as you can hear, has water inside and no leak at all. This is so you can attach to your backpack, or maybe just want to hold it like this when you walk. And here the mechanism to open, let me show you. You twist and open and drink, right? Once you drink, delicious. You close the lid tight, and that's it. No leak at all. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching.